Hello everyone, in this video we will see how can we create our own personal dashboards in ServiceNow. We'll just quickly jump to ServiceNow. So I'm logged in as Annabelle Koger, who is an ITIL user. If you haven't checked out my previous video where I have shown how to create reports, you can click on the top right corner. We will be adding one of that report, and I have created another report, so we'll be adding two reports in this dashboard. For this you will have to go to self-service, and under that there will be dashboards. But before doing that, if you see on the top right corner the settings button, please ensure that dashboards is selected here. If it isn't, just select that dashboards and just refresh the page as well. So let's quickly go to dashboards. You will be able to see here some of the dashboards which are out of the box and Annabelle Koger has access to. So you can alternatively use these ones if they are sufficient for your requirement. Otherwise you can go ahead and click on this new button and create a new dashboard. Just name it and you can also restrict it to some roles if you are creating for some other users as well. And I'll just submit this. You can click on dashboards again and go to owned by me, and you can see a new dashboard has been created called my personal dashboard. So you can see it is empty as of now. What you have to do is you have to click on this plus sign to add widgets. I'll just click on this and I will select reports in this drop down, and you can see there are two reports available for this user. This is a single scorecard report, and if I click back, and I should be able to add the second report as well, and it will be automatically added at the top. Now what you can do is you can actually resize these reports according to your requirement and add more reports if you want. I'll just resize this one and I'll just move it here, and I'll move this report on the right hand side, and I'll just expand this report. So as an end user or as Annabelle Koger, you will be able to see that there are two incidents assigned to her team, and these are the two incidents which are assigned. Alternatively, you can also share this dashboard to all people, or maybe to a certain group, or maybe to a specific user. If you want to share this dashboard with some other user, for example Fred Luddy, you should be able to do this and just click share here, and you can even provide them can view or can edit rights as well. Let's do the can view, and I will share this, and an email will be sent to Fred Luddy that a dashboard has been shared with you and you can use it as a read-only dashboard. And I'll just click on the cross, and you can see this has expanded now. So this is how you can create dashboards in ServiceNow, and this will be automatically always selected when you log in into ServiceNow. You can click on this drop down and look for other dashboards as well, but this will be the default one. So thank you for watching this video. Hope this was helpful to you. Let me know in comments if there are any questions. Thank you.